Welcome back. In this module, we'll learn about how do organisms reproduce. Modes of reproduction by single organism we'll study first. First, we'll study about the fission. Fission is the most widely occurred type of asexual reproduction in protozoan and various other organisms. In this method, the nuclear cytoplasmic content of the cell divide or split completely into smaller size daughter individuals. Fission is a mode of sexual reproduction in which unicellular organisms divide to create one or more new individual. The process takes place into two steps. That is, the division of nucleus or nuclear matter and the cleavage to cytoplasm. There are two types of fission: binary fission or multiple fission. The first type of fusion is binary fusion. What is binary fusion? Binary fusion is a type of asexual reproduction in which the fully grown parent cells split into two halves, producing two new daughter cells. That is binary fusion. Let's take an example of this amoeba. The parent cell is split into two parts and it forms two daughter cells. This type of fusion is called binary fusion because it divides into two daughter cells. From the parent cell, it divides into two daughter cells. Amoeba, protozoa, they reproduce through binary fusion. This is the most simplest type of reproduction. In case of amoeba, the splitting of two cells can be in any plane because it does not have a definite shape. But in cases like Leishmania, Euglena, binary fission occur in definite orientation because of their structure. This is Leishmania, and in this fission, the second type is multiple fission. First, we already study binary fission. Binary fission means split into two daughter cells. Multiple fission. Organisms like Plasmodium divide into many daughter cells simultaneously. This type of division is known as multiple fission. Plasmodium divide into many daughter cells simultaneously. This is multiple fission. And the next type of reproduction is fragmentation. Some multicellular organisms with relatively simple body organization reproduce by breaking their bodies into small pieces. Each small pieces are called fragment. Example, Spirogyra can grow into complete new organism after breaking up. And the next type of reproduction is regeneration. Many organisms like Hydra, Planaria, they have the ability to give rise to new individual organism from their body part. This process is known as regeneration. Let's take an example. If a body of Hydra or Planaria is cut in or broken into many pieces, each pieces grow into a complete organism. Let's take an example here. If you cut, it will grow into a new organism. That means it generates like the tail of a lizard. The next type of asexual reproduction is budding. What is budding? Budding is the process of asexual reproduction in which the formation of daughters individual occur by small projection bud arising on the parent's body. From the parent, a small bud arises, and from this, a daughter cell is formed. Let's see an example of hydra. This hydra reproduce through budding. A small bud is produced, and this get detached. That means it move away from the parent body and to become a new organism. This after grow, it detaches away, and this is the new organism.